Number 1. The 1968 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $9,000. Overall condition is fairly good. The engine is a 350 Vortec with a medium cam, aluminum rocker arms, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and an aluminum intake. The engine is in good working order and runs smoothly. The transmission is a turbo 400 3-speed with a 12-bolt rear differential. The car also comes with a relatively new dual exhaust system and long tube headers. The body condition is generally acceptable, though some areas have been repaired using Bondo, and there are some imperfections in the body panels that need fixing. There are 2 minor repairs to the frame in the transmission mount area, but the car's floor is still in good condition without holes or patches. The interior is decently maintained, though some chrome emblems are missing. The owner is not accepting trades. Number 2. The 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, priced at $4,300. The car comes equipped with standard features including leather bucket seats, a center console with a tachometer, and it was the first full-size American production car to have a floor-shifted automatic console. Additionally, there are aluminum side panels, fenders, power steering, brakes, windows, and a power driver seat. It also includes a powerful and great-sounding 394 cubic inch V8, which produced almost 350 HP in 1962. This truly stunning driver-quality Starfire comes from a collection of many other Oldsmobiles. The car was repainted years ago and still looks very good, with a few small bubbles in the paint and some other wear, but nothing critical. This car starts perfectly, stops almost instantly, shifts flawlessly, and drives straight and true with no known smoke, smells, or noises. The owner has driven several miles with this car and gets all the looks. Number 3. The 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, priced at $8,500. The car is in well-maintained condition. Its exterior is a shiny orange with no visible rust, showing good care of the body. The interior is still complete, though the white leather seats show signs of wear. Despite that, the engine is well-maintained, clean, and organized. Several components have been updated, such as the fuel tank, fuel lines, tires, fuel pump, and exhaust manifold gaskets, indicating routine care of the car's key parts. The trunk area is spacious, with a spare tire stored inside. The owner notes that the car's mileage is 24,000 miles, but the stereo is not included in the sale. Number 4. The 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $9,500. The car is in excellent condition inside and out. The exterior is painted bright yellow with black stripe accents on the hood and trunk, giving it a sporty look. Under the hood, the car features the powerful 350 rocket engine, along with several upgrades like a Holley intake and an aluminum radiator with a reservoir, indicating good performance care. The car also has classic Kragar wheels, adding a strong retro touch. The interior is clean with white leather seats and a neat dashboard, equipped with features like power windows, power seats, and a power antenna. There is also a new retro sound radio, adding to the driver's comfort. According to the owner, the car is in great condition, runs smoothly, and looks very impressive. Number 5. The 1975 Ford Torino Elite, priced at $9,500. The car is in decent visual condition. It features a 6.6L V8 400 engine, equipped with a high-performance intake and carburetor, model 4BBL 1806, and headers to improve exhaust flow. The alternator and steering box have been replaced with new ones, indicating good mechanical care. The fuel and brake lines are also new, and the transmission is a C6 type, Ford's famous 3-speed automatic transmission. The tires are like new, adding safety and driving comfort. The interior, covered in red, is well preserved, although there is slight wear in some areas. Overall, the car is ready to go and shows serious modifications and maintenance. Number 6. The 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale, priced at $6,200. The car is 55 years old. It's in decent condition for a survivor, but not a show car. The 455 rocket engine is still present, paired with an automatic transmission, and the original interior has had the carpets replaced. The exterior shows some damage on the lower body areas and rust in places, like the bottom door panels. Although it has been stored in a garage for the past 4 years, the car can still be started, run, and stopped as it did in its day. This is an unfinished restoration project with potential to be a great classic car for an automotive enthusiast looking to continue the work. Number 7. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $10,000. It has been owned for over 9 years. Overall, the car is in good exterior condition, especially the paint, which may need some further attention. The hood is equipped with a scoop, adding a sporty touch. Under the hood, the engine remains neat and clean, with several new components such as an aluminum radiator, starter, and recently replaced head and intake gaskets. The interior of the car comes with a shiny purple aftermarket steering wheel, a Kenwood Bluetooth audio system, and 2 10-inch subwoofers in the trunk. The car is also set up for an air ride system, with air shocks in the rear and possibly Edelbrock shocks in the front. It's perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking to continue restoring and maintaining it. Number 8. The 1975 Dodge Charger Special Edition, priced at $9,500. It is in great condition for a classic car of its age. The cabin features soft, classy black leather seats with a wood-accented dashboard adding to the classic feel. The steering wheel has been modified with gold accents, giving a sporty touch. The car is powered by a 360 engine, possibly with a cam and 4-barrel carburetors, which is clean and well-maintained. The exterior still has its original paint, recently polished and nearly flawless. The front and rear are in prime condition, with chrome bumpers that still shine. The MagnaFlow exhaust gives the car a great, distinct sound. Overall, this is a rare survivor in such good condition, and it still runs well. Number 9. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $5,800. Its exterior condition is decent, but some interior repairs and finishing are needed. The metallic blue paint still shines, though the front, like the bumper and grille, shows signs of wear. The car is equipped with a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission and an original V8 350 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, indicating the engine's strong performance. The exterior also includes headers and a side pipe exhaust system. The interior needs repairs, especially with the missing door panels and some damaged dashboard parts. The red seats are worn with some tears but still functional. The car can be driven in its current condition, but requires finishing to reach perfect condition, especially in interior details and some plastic and trim parts. The owner also provides additional spare parts, including trim, seats, and some plastic pieces, making it an ideal project for restoration enthusiasts. Number 10. The 1969 Plymouth Fury III convertible, priced at $8,500. This vehicle has a 318 cubic inch engine, making it comfortable to drive. The car underwent a restoration in the past, but there is some damage, such as small bubbles on the lower part of the rear right window. The interior looks new, including a replaced rear window. Notable features include electric windows, an electric convertible top, and an original wooden steering wheel that is still in good condition. The car has also been updated with new wheel cylinders and a new heater, indicating good maintenance over the years. Check the video description if you're interested in purchasing it. Number 11. The 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V, priced at $8,000. This rare collector's series variant, with fewer than 4,000 units produced, is in well-maintained condition, retaining its original glossy paint. The car has low mileage, equipped with a 400 cubic inch, 6.6-liter engine. It has been stored in a warehouse for a long time and has undergone comprehensive mechanical component replacements, including new tires. The interior remains original, with plush seats offering maximum comfort. The car is described as providing an incredibly smooth driving experience, floating down the road, reflecting the classic vehicle's quality suspension and sound insulation. The seller is open to trade offers with a Harley Road King, Heritage Deluxe, or Chola from 2009 or newer. Number 12. The 1965 Rambler Ambassador, priced at $7,200. This is an unfinished restoration project. The car has had one owner since new and has only been repainted once in 1991. After repainting, the car was never used again, but it previously passed mechanical inspection and all components were up to standard at the time. The owner, a meticulous mechanic, regularly applied anti-rust treatment during its use. Currently, The 232 six-cylinder engine with a 2-barrel carburetor has been removed for cleaning and updating, though it still needs painting. The car's transmission has been disassembled and needs a seal kit and broken spring replaced. The suspension also requires repairs, with new coil springs and shock absorbers needed. Number 13. The 1964 Mercury Monterey convertible, priced at $9,000. The condition is quite in line with its age. The exterior of the car is still in good shape with a shiny red paint job, and the convertible top is in very good condition. The front features an intact grille and headlights with no visible major damage. The interior of the car, including the red leather seats and dashboard, is still original and fairly well maintained, with some signs of reasonable wear. The car is equipped with a classic steering wheel that remains solid. The car has traveled 12,000 miles and comes with official papers, including the original purchase documents and border paperwork from when it was brought from the United States. Number 14. The 1960 Chevrolet Fleetside pickup, priced at $7,000. It is mounted on a shortened frame from a 1988 model, equipped with power steering and power brakes. The engine used is a Chevrolet 400 SBE with a 2-speed Power Glide transmission. In general, this truck is described as comfortable to drive, though not very fast. Although it's still roadworthy, there are some rusty areas, but the truck's floor remains strong without patches, and the truck bed is made of solid oak. The interior of the bed is decorated with signboards and license plates as decorative elements. Though the truck is not perfect, the owner states that few models like this one are left. The truck is still functional. Number 15. The 1967 Buick Skylark convertible, priced at $2,900, is in restoration project condition. This vehicle features bucket seats, a center console, and a floor shifter with power windows. The car does not have an engine or transmission, but it is set up for a Buick big block engine, 400, 430, or 455. It used to run until the engine was removed. Its condition is worn after being left unused for over 25 years, with significant damage to the rear from a collision in the 90s. Nevertheless, the rear panel is repairable, and it comes with a rear bumper, rear clip, and additional rear frame sections from a donor car. The car also includes plenty of spare trim, and replacement quarter panels can be purchased from Wolf Steel per side. Don't forget to subscribe to avoid missing out, because classic cars are cool and you can only find them here, dude.